Just a little short video showing my new twister glider from Topmodel out of the Czech Republic. Topmodelcz, and that's website is Topmodelcz.cz. But it looks like everything's packed pretty well. Boys. Little stats on the airplane. It's 43.3 inches long, 1100 millimeters. Wingspan 72.44 inches, or 1840 millimeters. And flying weights somewhere between 3.3 pounds and 3.10 pounds. So it's got, everything's well taped. Here's the rudder. Looks like it's Oracoat covered. It looks like it's, yeah, it's definitely well sealed. For the dog. So rudder looks good. Stabilizer. Again, it's Oracoat, white and red. This is a full flying stab. Everything is well done. And it looks like it's straight. Fuselage, plastic, excuse me, fiberglass. Shrouds. Fuselage looks pretty decent. Molding's quite well. Very nice. Very, very nice. Canopy. Everything is stapled to the box, so it can't move around in shipping. The canopy's glass. Very nice workmanship. One little tiny pinhole. But all in all, looks real good. Instruction manual. Looks like it's pretty nice. Got a pretty good parts list, telling you everything about it. Instructions. There's a lot of video or pictures instead of physical description. But it's workable. Looks like mostly 5-minute epoxy construction. I'll probably end up using 30-minute. Hardware accessory. Looks like tape. Bell cranks, glass. Motor mount glass. Some plywood hardware. Carbon fiber. Looks good. decals. Pretty good looking set of decals. Topmodelcz.cz. Twister, black, orange, and then some wing decals. Also, again, orange. Maybe it's blue. Yeah, it looks like it's blue. Now for the real important part, the wings. The wings are balsa covered foam with oil coat on top of that. All aileron. The airfoil is actually an MH32. It's supposed to be real good. I mainly got this airplane for aerobatics as well as fast flying and the capability of doing thermal gliding. A little bit of bubbles on the coating, but that can be taken out with the monocoat iron. All in all the seams are well sealed. Very, very nice job. Got a hole here for aileron servo. Balsa with carbon fiber insert. Looks like it's good balsa as well. Very, very nice. And we've got servo covers. These are plastic, but they look nice. And the other wing. So how well that's doing. Everything did come all well packed and in good shape. Again, this is from the Czech Republic. I'm quite impressed with the kit. Needs a little touch up with the monocoat iron, but all in all, very, very nice job. All the seams are sealed on this one as well. Very nice. I will be bringing you videos on the build process and the maiden flight of this airplane. I mainly picked this one again because it's got a large speed envelope. It's supposed to be a good glider, thermal capability, and aerobatic. I'll touch bases with you when I start construction. Thank you.